Cats are fascinating creatures with complex social behaviors, and one of the most intriguing aspects of their interactions is the phenomenon of grooming followed by sudden aggression. Many cat owners have observed their pets engaged in a tender grooming session, only to have the mood shift abruptly to hostility, with hissing, swatting, and even full-on fighting. This sudden transition from affection to aggression may seem perplexing, but it's a common occurrence in feline behavior, and understanding the reasons behind it requires exploring the delicate balance between love and aggression in cats. At the heart of this behavior is the cat's intricate social structure and the way they communicate with one another. Cats are territorial animals, and while they are capable of forming close bonds, especially in a multi-cat household, their social interactions are often governed by a complex set of signals and instincts. Grooming is a behavior that serves many purposes in the feline world, from reinforcing social bonds to maintaining hygiene. However, this behavior doesn't always go smoothly, and the line between affection and aggression can sometimes be quite thin. One of the primary reasons cats groom each other is to establish and reinforce social bonds. In a multi-cat household or among cats that share a territory, grooming is a crucial behavior for maintaining relationships. Cats will often groom each other as a form of bonding, especially between individuals that are familiar with each other. Grooming helps to reinforce a sense of security and trust between cats, allowing them to feel comfortable in one another's presence. In the wild, grooming is a way for cats to show affection and cooperation, especially among family members or other members of a group. However, the transition from grooming to aggression can occur when certain triggers cause one cat to feel threatened or overstimulated. One of the key factors contributing to this sudden shift is overstimulation. Cats, especially those that are highly sensitive, can become easily overstimulated during grooming sessions. What starts as a calm and soothing grooming session can quickly turn into a stressful or uncomfortable experience if one cat's tolerance is reached. This overstimulation is often a result of excessive physical contact or a cat's sensitivity to being touched in certain areas, such as the belly or the tail. In these moments, what was once an affectionate grooming exchange can escalate into a fight as the cat being groomed becomes agitated or frustrated. Overstimulation during grooming is particularly common among cats that are less tolerant of physical contact or those that have a lower threshold for discomfort. For example, some cats may enjoy being groomed on their heads or backs but become agitated if the grooming continues for too long or if it moves to a more sensitive area. When this happens, the cat being groomed may give warning signs, such as twitching its tail, flattening its ears, or suddenly moving away. If the grooming continues despite these signals, the cat may resort to swatting, hissing, or even attacking the other cat as a way of defending itself. Another reason for the sudden shift from grooming to aggression is territorial behavior. Cats are territorial animals, and their social interactions are often influenced by the desire to maintain control over their space. In some cases, one cat may view another cat's grooming as an invasion of personal space or a challenge to its dominance. This is especially true in households with multiple cats that are still establishing their social hierarchies. Grooming can sometimes be a way for one cat to assert dominance or establish social rank within the group. However, if the grooming becomes too intense or one cat feels threatened, the balance of power can shift, leading to aggression. This is particularly common in cats that are not yet fully comfortable with each other or in households where competition for resources like food, attention, or territory is high. Dominance plays a significant role in feline behavior, and grooming can sometimes be a way for cats to establish or reinforce their social position. In a multi-cat environment, cats will often engage in grooming as part of the process of negotiating their place in the group's hierarchy. One cat may initiate grooming as a way of asserting dominance, while the other cat may respond in kind or even initiate its own grooming session. However, if one cat feels that it is being overpowered or that its status is being threatened, it may react aggressively to assert its position. In these situations, grooming quickly turns into a form of rivalry, and what was once a peaceful interaction can escalate into a fight. In addition to dominance and overstimulation, grooming followed by fighting can also be linked to frustration or unmet social needs. Cats are highly independent animals, but they also require social interaction and stimulation. If one cat is grooming another in an attempt to engage socially, but the other cat is not receptive or feels threatened by the contact, it may resort to aggression as a way of communicating its discomfort. This can happen if one cat is feeling lonely, anxious, or frustrated due to a lack of attention or other emotional needs. In such cases, the grooming may be seen as an attempt at social bonding, but the frustration of not having its own needs met leads the cat to lash out. Cats also have a unique way of communicating through body language, and the subtle cues they give during grooming can determine whether the interaction remains friendly or turns hostile. For example, during a grooming session, cats will often engage in mutual grooming, where they take turns grooming each other's heads, faces, and ears. While this is generally a sign of affection, it can sometimes become a form of control. One cat may begin to groom the other cat more aggressively or for longer periods, which may lead to discomfort or irritation. If the cat being groomed feels that it is not being allowed to control the pace or intensity of the grooming, it may retaliate by swatting, hissing, or attacking. Sometimes, the shift from grooming to aggression is a result of a lack of understanding between the cats involved. Cats, like all animals, have their own personalities and temperaments. Some cats are naturally more social and tolerant of grooming, while others are more independent and prefer minimal physical contact. When two cats with different social needs interact, the outcome of the grooming session can be unpredictable. One cat may enjoy the grooming and continue it for as long as possible, while the other cat may become uncomfortable and lash out. This dynamic can cause the interaction to turn from bonding to conflict, as the more tolerant cat becomes frustrated by the aggression. And the more sensitive cat seeks to defend itself. The change from grooming to aggression is also influenced by individual personalities and past experiences. Cats that have had negative experiences with other cats in the past, such as trauma, bullying, or a lack of proper socialization, may be more likely to react aggressively during grooming sessions. In contrast, cats that have had positive interactions with other cats or have been well socialized are more likely to engage in calm, friendly grooming exchanges without escalating into a fight. Each cat's history, temperament, and experiences will play a role in how they respond to grooming and how they interact with other cats. Finally, it's important to recognize that grooming followed by fighting is not always a sign of serious aggression. In many cases, the behavior is simply a temporary shift in the cat's interaction, and the fight may be more of a form of communication or a way for the cats to establish boundaries. In some cases, the fight may be brief and non-injurious, with the cats quickly resuming their grooming or simply separating for a while. However, if the aggression becomes frequent, violent, or causes injury, it's important for cat owners to intervene and address the underlying causes of the behavior. The behavior of cats grooming each other and then suddenly fighting is a complex interaction influenced by a variety of factors, including overstimulation, territoriality, dominance, frustration, and social dynamics. The thin line between love and aggression in cats reflects their complex social structure and their need for balance in their interactions with others. While grooming is generally a sign of affection and bonding, it can quickly shift into aggression if certain triggers arise, such as discomfort, frustration, or a challenge to dominance. Understanding these dynamics can help cat owners better interpret and manage their cat's behaviors, ensuring that both cats in the household can coexist peacefully and with mutual respect.